Ever wondered what digital marketing actually is? Let's make it crystal clear. Digital marketing is all about using the internet to reach people. Think of all those ads you see on websites, social media posts, emails, and even search engine results. That's digital marketing in action. It includes things like SEO, where you tweak your website so it shows up in Google searches, or social media marketing, where you promote your brand on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. There's also content marketing, which is creating valuable stuff like blogs and videos to attract an audience. Email marketing? Yes, those newsletters in your inbox count too. And let's not forget about pay-per-click ads. You only pay when someone clicks. In essence, digital marketing is using online tools to communicate with potential customers. It's a way to connect, engage, and ultimately drive sales. Simple, right? So the next time you see an ad online, you'll know what's behind it. That's digital marketing at work.